Going to Houston again? Those green was kind of cool. We got parked in a cool spot. All because Muddy's famous.
You're famous.
Hey.
You got an Instagram? Just through the section door.
What do you think? What do you think?
Then how great I like.
Fat ass turbo. I need a K-truck for the taqueria. Right?
Yeah.
You gonna date me if I have a car like that?
Like what? Oh,
K-truck.
yeah. Oh, K-truck, yeah.
You think that bumper's for free?
Yeah, you wanna get it?
Yeah. I need it for my car. I need these wheels though.
Cute.
You like these wheels?
Yes.
Marty says this is my competition or something. Talk
Let
to
me tell you one thing. And one thing only. Cisco has the best Jeep. How much for this one?
I don't know. That ain't mine.
Bro? Okay. Okay, you got it for me though. It's not gonna pee on me? You gonna run up? No.
Has he ever bit you?
Go your car while you're walking up. That's awesome.
He's such a good boy.
He's so cute.
What do you think about the Tacoma?
That house clean. I go down Buckner doing 60 in that motherfucker. Cisco. Big boot ball, bobblehead there, boy. Dang, that hoe clean. Oh, the doggy.
Oh, he stopped swinging it. We back in Dallas. We had a Laura show. Dallas.
I don't have Dallas. I pay her. What you worry about?
Hey, come on, Jay.
I'll pay for it. I'll ride it. If you want to be a little girl.
We got Jay over here wanting to ride a horse.
You got change right there? Oh, ain't no way.
They didn't let Jay ride the horse.
Hey, you can ride this one.
You said he can ride this one?
Hey, you gotta get out there.
Where you going, bro?
Let's take it on the ride.
All right.
Oh shit.
You're gonna get blisters on your ass.
Bro, do it. Here. Come on, drink, bro. Appreciate
It is hot. I'm not getting on.
It's not hot, bro. Go.
it. Hey, wait.
Oh, bro. Shit.
I think they're too tough.
Oh my god.
Yeah, too heavy.
How heavy?
Bro, who cares?
Oh yeah, you're a ninja.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, oh. Well, I'm glad y'all.
Let's go.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the pony.
Bro, that's me and you.
that gonna be y'all one day?
That is us. I see you in one of these, too.
What's up?
I see you in one of those.
You think so?
Yeah.
Should I ask for the key?
What? I'm talking about the truck.
Yeah, I know. Should I ask for the key?
Yeah.
Face ass.
Okay, so today we're doing something pretty cool. If you don't know, me and Mari collect a lot of collectibles, pop figures, Pokemon cards, anything anime related, we collect them. And we actually got invited to go to this anime convention and display our cards. So we invited a couple other homies, and we're actually meeting up with them right now. I just got off work. I got off work pretty late, so I'm running late. And this traffic ain't helping either. I was supposed to be there at 2. I'm getting there at 2:17. We just left our cars, or we're going to leave our cars at the Dallas Market Hall.
We're gonna steal all of these stuff.
Yeah, Mari said she's gonna steal all of Lee's stuff. Wait, he said we're not supposed to call him Lee.
We're gonna steal all of Kung Fu Panda stuff.
We're gonna steal all his stuff.
Like this one.
Boy, flexing. Miss my Lambadors.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is my seat now. Get out of my seat.
Cool little lineup. I think Monochrome coming later today.
Yeah, like Cisco famous. They wanted a picture of him.
No, why?
What the?
Toy.
That dog's so cute.
I think we might have a question.
What, bro?
Is that 360 bullshit?
Yeah.
Wow! That's sick. Says it's American. They want the US.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm here with Monochrome. And we're gonna go ask Gengar to take a picture with his car.
No. Tell Gengar to come here, bro.
Monochrome steals lug nuts. Monochrome steals nuts.
Let me interview you for your car, bro.
Okay.
Bro?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to blur his face, he's underage.
Dang, you underage?
I'm gonna walk around like this.
I'm 20. Wait, I should turn my TVs on, bro.
Okay, go turn it on. Monochrome, what do you think about people talking about your car?
I'm nervous.
Today I'm gonna interview Monochrome. Monochrome,
Hi.
which one's your favorite Pokemon? He said Gengar.
Nah.
All right, we're gonna interview Monochrome today because we're bored at the anime convention. We got nothing to do. Here's Monochrome himself.
Hello. I'm Monochrome. Moondes. This is my JZS 161 GS300. It's on full weight tires. 215, 35, 19 on a Fabulous Expands. They're 9J, so the fitment's not exactly where I want it, but still a cool opportunity. Thank you to West End for exporting these for me. Behind the Fabulous Expands are Super Brakes from a twin turbo Supra. Definitely enough to stop all the big weight this luxury sedan pulls. I have 9 degrees of camber up front. It's all heat, lightning, speed shop, and serial 9 parts. Bushings, arms, all the sorts. Rear is OEM. I have Kurumi. Big Kurumi, because You know, we're at an anime convention. We have to flex on them a little bit. My Calpico drink. And oh yeah, have TVs. There's also Madoka playing on the... Oh, okay, yeah, hentai. Hentai. I do that in the traffic.
What's this?
Huh?
What's this?
It's just Good Feelings disco ball. Yeah, disco spirit through text and hat. These are all my friends. You might recognize these people. You might not. Kind of underground. Croc House, Bloom, D-Realm, Drift Friends, Goonland. OBX headers, OBX mid pipe, custom fabricated by my friend Antonio, and HKS dual exit titanium, high power. Future plans, once I'm settled a little more, I have a welded that I need to put on. But I definitely plan to drift the car, even though it's auto. Definitely gonna be a fun one. It's gonna take a lot to swing this full boat, but it'll be worth it.
Tell us about your style, bro. What
Style.
What inspires you to do this?
Monochrome style. So white, black, chrome, silver, all the sorts. I really am obsessed with old 326 power, old slammed drift cars. I think everyone's too focused on going fast and having tall cars now, and I think it should be the other way around. Drifting is a rolling car show, so slam it and drift it. Slow, stylish, wide. It's all that matters. Style number 1.